How to add sound mixing for narration in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your video and audio files into the media pool and drag them onto the timeline. Make sure your narration audio track is separate from your main video's audio track to have full control over the mixing process. Next, go to the Fairlight page by clicking on the musical note icon at the bottom. This is where DaVinci Resolve offers powerful audio editing and mixing tools. Select your narration audio track on the timeline. Now, you can start adjusting the volume levels. Use the mixer panel on the right side to control the narration's volume independently. Lower the background sounds or music to ensure your narration stands out clearly. To improve clarity, apply an equalizer by opening the inspector panel on the top right and scrolling down to the EQ section. Boost the mid and high frequencies slightly to make the narration more present and reduce any muddiness. If needed, add a compressor from the effects library to even out the volume of your narration, making softer parts louder and louder parts softer. This will help maintain a consistent sound level throughout the narration. Finally, listen to your mix multiple times and make small adjustments to the volume and EQ until the narration sounds balanced with the background audio. When satisfied, export your project with the mixed audio. And that's it. Now you know how to add sound mixing for narration in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.